Ever find yourself daydreaming about your next adventure, only to dread the thought of navigating the maze that is airport customs? Hey there, it's Ryan Brooks, your laid-back travel buddy here at the Lazy Traveler's Guide. Today, we're tackling a topic that can make or break your travel vibe: the fastest ways to get through customs. If you're someone who'd rather spend time soaking up the sights than standing in line, stick around. I've got some easy tips to keep your journey smooth and stress-free, so let's dive into it. First things first, consider downloading Mobile Passport Control. It's a super underrated app that lets you skip the usual lines at US airports. All you have to do is submit your passport info and customs declaration form through the app, and voila, you're ready to breeze through a dedicated lane. It's almost like having a secret VIP pass, minus the hefty price tag. Now, let's talk global entry. I know, it sounds like a hassle, but trust me, it's a game changer. Once you're approved, you'll have expedited clearance not just in the US, but in select countries abroad. Imagine sauntering past long lines with just a quick scan of your passport. And if you're already a TSA PreCheck member, adding global entry is a no-brainer. Speaking of PreCheck, if you're not on board yet, it's time to hop on. Imagine keeping your shoes on and your laptop snugly tucked in your bag while everyone else is fumbling around. It's a small luxury that makes a huge difference. Plus, it's valid for 5 years, so you can enjoy a little extra chill on every trip. Finally, a quick tip for those who love to travel light: stick to carry-ons. Not only will you bypass the baggage claim, but you'll also be able to make swift exits, especially if you're landing at a busy airport. Just think of all the extra time you'll have to grab a local snack or hit your first sightseeing spot. And there you have it, folks. To recap, get yourself Mobile Passport Control, consider global entry, don't sleep on TSA PreCheck, and if you can, travel light. Try just one of these tips on your next trip and watch that travel stress melt away. If you found this episode helpful, why not subscribe and join us for more lazy, friendly travel wisdom. Until next time, keep it easy and enjoy the journey.